Today we're going to change the battery on this style BMW key. So to start off with, go to the side of the key and there's a little button type of tab here, which you press that and then it will release this part of the key, the actual physical key part. Then if you look just here, for the back part of the key, there's a little separate piece and we're just going to put a little screwdriver in there and then just pop it up like that. Then you can get your finger in and then you're going to lift it up from the back over here and then it's going to flip over like that, and that reveals the back of the key. It's a CR2032 battery, and just put your little flat screwdriver in just there and it'll pop the battery out. Then get your new battery and put it in at that, like in pushing it in that direction because of where the tabs are. So just put it in and then like that, and then get the back piece of your key and you can see these little tabs just here and here. They go in first like that, and then you're going to hold that down with one finger and then press the rest of it down, and just that little bit, and then that's all in. Then get your actual key part and then just push it in, and that's it, you're done.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.